Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy James, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can be getting yourself the brand new iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max for free. So here I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So without further ado, I'm just going to be showing you how you can be getting this for free. So all you need to do is grab your current phone. So in this case before, I was rocking the iPhone 6, and basically what you want to do is just open up your browser on your phone and go to the following website. It's mobilenerds.net/iPhone. So just to repeat, that is mobilenerds.net/iPhone. So as soon as you're on this website, just to clarify, this is like 110% the website I did use to get this. And all you want to do is just choose on, basically what iPhone you want. So if you want the iPhone 11, get the iPhone 11. 11 Pro, get the 11 Pro, Pro Max, get the Pro Max, all right? So in this case, I'm just gonna walk through what I did here real quick, but you see all the features for the phone, of course, and just tap on that continue button there. And you wanna choose your iPhone 11 color. So it could be midnight green, silver, space gray, or gold. In this case, I went with space gray. Of course, you could do a different color though. And then the capacity for this. In this case, I went with the 64 gigs. You could as well go with the higher storage there, and all you want to do now is just enter in your email. So in this case, mine is james9878@gmail.com, and basically as soon as you have everything selected there, so the color, the capacity, and then your email, you just want to tap on that continue button there. So basically all you need to do is you have to do a verification, just because they don't want a bunch of people getting this for free over and over again. So they want to prevent essentially bots, is to my knowledge is what they're trying to do right now. So it's no big deal though. I did it. I got the free iPhone. I'm not going to complain. So it says you need to pass a human verification, and then as soon as you're done, it says you will receive your shipping form to your email that you entered, and then they'll ship you with the brand new iPhone 11. So that's what I did. I got the email from them, but just tap on that verify button. And basically, there again, they need to make a quick check to ensure you're not a robot. It's kind of what I figured. That was just based off memory there. But so yeah, you got to download and run 2 free applications in order to receive your free Apple iPhone 11. So in this case, like I said, I already did it, so I'm not going to do it again, but basically I'm just going to explain it. As you see here, you have an application. So all you got to do is download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. You just tap on that free button there. You might have different applications, and that's no big deal if you do. Just tap on the free button, tap the install there, and it's just going to take you directly to the App Store. So if you don't have the apps, in this case, I already have these apps, right? All you want to do is download, install them, then open them, complete the instructions that it said there, and you are going to be getting yourself a brand new iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, or iPhone 11 Pro Max. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, comment down in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for some future content. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you in the next one. Peace.